What's up, everybody? It's your boy Paper Drew, back with another video. First and foremost, if you're ready, willing, and able, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, touch that like button for me down below, and also go ahead and hit the notification bell so when I drop new content, you'll be one of the first ones to know about it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So today's video, as you guys are going to know from the thumbnail as well as from the description below, is of the Icy Rabbit hoodie. It's in an olive green color. It was from the Black Friday release. Now, you guys know how I usually like to do. I like to unpackage it as soon as I get it. Unfortunately, I'll leave a picture right now of what my package looked like when I did receive it in the mail. Unfortunately, this is the season where people get a lot of lost packages, a lot of shit gets stolen out of the, any kind of mail, whether it be FedEx, UPS, USPS, whatever the case may be. So when my package came in looking like that, I immediately decided to open it, even though I know I like to do the unboxings or unpackagings for you guys on camera so you guys can see my initial reactions. But unfortunately, the way my package was looking crazy wild, I decided to go ahead and open it beforehand just to make sure that everything was okay in the package. Everything was the way it was supposed to be. So with that being said, I did go ahead and open it, and it was how it was supposed to be. I did receive it with this gash in the back, so I don't know if anybody tried to, and it was on the actual side where I showed you guys with the picture that it was like a little slit. So, and there's a slit as you guys can see here. So I don't know if that was part of it, or maybe since it was folded over and closed, maybe somebody squished it, or getting thrown around or whatever, it busted that piece out. But just as a note, that was another thing that I did notice. So with that being said, here's the hoodie itself. It's the Icy Rabbit skating tee, or skating tee design, but it's just on the hoodie. So I received, there's like 5 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of these, so be on the lookout for these. I have 600 subscribers. I'll do some sticker giveaways, whether it be some Icy Rabbit or I have a bunch of worldwide youth ones. So at 600, I'll do that. At 700, I'll do a Supreme sticker. At 800, we'll figure something else out. 900 and 1,000, I'm gonna do something crazy. So this is just some milestones that we need to get to. As soon as we get to those milestones, those giveaways will start popping. So again, here's that actual design. This is the skater tee. This is one of the OG releases that they did. It's got the diamond. It's got the rabbit with the carrot, iced out watch, and he's actually skating on a diamond, as you guys can see. So I'll take this out here. I already took it out. I already tried it on, all that good stuff, so it's not going to be any surprise as far as what the sizing is like. This was supposed to be all sizes. They dropped in medium, large, small, the regular sizes, as you guys know. And there's only supposed to be 50 of these made, period, the end, in all sizes, not each size. Throughout all sizes, only 50 of this hoodie made in, I think it was blue, yellow, black, and this olive, if I'm correct. I'm gonna have a picture of it up so you guys will be able to see. At any rate, I did notice, unfortunately, that I received an extra large, and I did order a large. Now I did go ahead and email them, let them know that there was a mistake obviously made. I'll show you guys my order so you guys can see that I did in fact order a large, and I received an extra large. Now, oversight, yes, things actually, shit happens. I understand that mistakes happen, especially around Black Friday, holiday, things of that nature. Unfortunately, with the nature of the way this releases, only being 50, I don't know how that's going to work out for me, or whatever the case may be. I did try it on. It's not really too bad. I'll try it on and let you guys see what it looks like. So it's not actually too bad. I'll probably, if I throw it in the wash, it'll probably shrink a little bit. So we'll see. But I'll go ahead and throw it on real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. As you guys can see, it's not too bad, man. I mean, I like this usually a little bit slimmer fitting in, but as far as length is concerned, it's perfect. So it's nice. It feels great. I think it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester, so it's not 100% cotton, but it is dope. Feels nice. I think the color's super dope. Green, like one of my favorite colors. So, and especially this color here, this olive tone, perfect for the fall, winter months. It's been getting kind of cool. I'm not gonna say cold, because for us, cold is like 60, 50 degrees, 40 in the morning, like early morning 40s. So that's like a paradise to most people who actually get seasons. Like I've said before, New York, anything above Florida, and even sometimes the West Coast gets a little chilly depending on where you are on the coastline. But We have been getting some nice cool weather, so it's hoodie weather, so you can go out in a hoodie, and this is perfect for the fall time, even in the springtime. But even though I don't think I would wear this in the springtime because obviously it's too damn hot here anyways. So with that being said, I like the fit. I think it looks dope. Let me know what you guys think of the design. If you guys can see it, let me know what you guys think of it. Would you cop, would you not cop? But this was the Black Friday release, sold out really fast. They dropped another t-shirt for the Art Basel event in Miami. I think there was there was 4 designs on that. So there's 3 t-shirts and a hoodie. They're doing also not a collab, but it's like a Grinch theme thing for Christmas time. So we'll see how that works out. I slept on the Worldwide Youth crew neck. Excuse me, literally slept through it. I fell asleep. I was tired as shit for some reason and passed out. Woke up 5 minutes late. Everything was sold out in 5 minutes. It was crazy. So on the next drop, I'll try to get something on their next drop for sure. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think. I might keep it. I don't know. We might do it a giveaway. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to do down below. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Always, man. Y'all stay blessed.